In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to clear your system storage. So this is nice and simple. All you need to do is go into your system settings. Now go to storage. So at the top of this menu, there's a graph that shows you how many gigabytes are being used and what these gigabytes are being used for. So you can see here, the majority of mine are applications. So if we go into our applications and we want to clear some, you can see there's the size of the file, and League of Legends takes up 40 gigs. So if we click on that and then press delete and press delete again, then that will clear 40 gigabytes of storage from our device. You may just want to clear your cache. So to do this, what you need to do is press Command-Shift-G and now type this in. I'll leave it in the top line of the description. Press enter and now press edit, select all, file, move to bin. You can also clear system logs. So to do this, press Command-Shift-G again and then type in this. I'll leave it in the top line of the description again. And you can do the same thing here. Edit, select all, file, and move to bin. Now put your password in and that will clear your old system logs. Now all you have to do is right click on your bin, empty it. Now all you need to do is reboot your computer. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.